Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new avatar for free on Roblox. First of all, go to in marketplace. Once you are in the marketplace, now you have to click on characters. Now click on this filter option. Now go to in filter and choose this option, recently created. Click on it and click on apply. Now you have to scroll down and you will see this skeleton, horror skeleton new avatar. Right now it is free, so you can get this item as soon as possible before it go off sale. So let's get this item, guys. Click on it and click on free and click on get. Now to equip it, you have to go to in customize and click on purchase and click on horror skeleton, the new one that we have purchased. Fine, so hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.